If your carrier supports visual voicemail and you've turned it on before, however it's not working for you right now on your phone, there could be several reasons for that. So in today's video, we'll be going over all of the basic troubleshooting steps you can take to try and fix it. Well, the first thing you're going to do is checking if your connection is solid. You can try moving somewhere else if it isn't until you get a good, stable cellular connection. You can also just check if your carrier's visual voicemail service is currently up and running. Sometimes they'll post on the social media on their website if there are any issues or any planned maintenance. However, you can just also dial your usual voicemail number and see if you get any alerts there about the services currently not being available. If it is all up and running, you can also just try to turn visual voicemail on and off. However, the method for doing so will differ slightly depending on which exact flavor of the Android ecosystem you're using. Another thing you can do is just force quit and relaunch the phone app or whichever app you're using to manage your visual voicemail. That is super simple to do. Just bring up all the apps by pressing your apps list button, find the app in question and then swipe up on it to get rid of it. You can also try to clear its cache to see if that helps. So the way you usually clear cache on any app on Android is something like this, though again it will differ depending on what exact flavor of the OS you have. Go into settings and then go into apps. Then find the app you're having issues with and then tap into it. Then go into the storage option and make sure to clear the cache and data and see if that helps. It could also be that your phone needs an update. So what you can do is just head into your settings and then into the update section to see if there is anything available for your phone. It could also be that you're completely out of space and no more voicemail can be added, so what you can do is go into your files and remove anything you don't need. Alternatively, you can also just turn your phone off and on again and see if that helps. That usually does a trick in many instances. So what you can do is just hold on the power button until you get a menu telling you that you can restart your device, so just simply do that. It could also be that call forwarding or certain anti-spam features are also preventing it from working, so you can temporarily turn those off to see if that also helps. Again, it depends on which one of those features you actually have turned on and what exact app you're using to actually get to your visual voicemail. But those are just the main ways in which you can troubleshoot visual voicemail not working on your Android device. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.